Malta-flagged tanker attacked, at least 3 crew kidnapped, Gulf of Guinea. Product tanker HISTRIA Ivory with 21 all-Romanian crew on board was attacked by pirates near Lomé, Togo waters, Gulf of Guinea, in the evening March 3. Several seamen were kidnapped, exact number yet unknown, confirmed 3. The ship sustained damages during the attack and hijack, being in need of some repairs. Most probably, communications equipment was destroyed or damaged. Understood remaining crew aren't injured, but it's not confirmed yet. Tanker as of March 4, was anchored at Lomé anchorage. Product tanker HISTRIA Ivory, IMO 935-6244, DWT 40450, built 2006, flag Malta, manager HISTRIA Shipmanagement S.R.L, Constanta, Romania.